Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today we'd like to analyze the crypto market capitalization total chart with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. Looks like I accidentally forgot to make a video about total. I already made a video about total 2, total 3, Bitcoin dominance chart, and even others dominance chart, but for total I just shared the trading view idea. This idea basically is still relevant, so the same FIB, absolutely, basically the same FIB, nothing changed. This is okay if you determine the levels correctly, right? You can use one FIB for the next few years. And I would like to show you the updates with indicator set with this drop, what's going on now on the charts. And this was the idea from November 2023. So basically the charts are relevant. So here's I marked the bottoms, why what's the real bottom. Everything explained here, an idea. So here's how playing out. We hit the new high. So here's was a rejection at the take profit line. And now it's showing us with a lagging like 2 trillion, but in general we'll like sit at 1.93 trillions. So this is a chart, and this is a top, because I truly believe the end of bull run was in April, May 2021. Then it was double top, right, breaking out, and we crashed it down inside 27 block. This was accumulation and consolidation, retest of 18 level by FIB, going higher, sweep the high, get rejection, right, and collapse it down now almost to 38 level by FIB. Can we drop lower? Of course, guys, we can. And of course, I don't believe in crazy capitalization of the market with ETF or without ETF, no matter what happened on the market this cycle, because I don't think so. This is exactly that super cycle what everybody talk about. No, I think we're gonna finish the ride around. Yes, I truly believe we just breaking out 3.47 trillions, then going to, and maybe gonna stop, because of 5 trillion, it will be like psychological trigger for everybody who track the total chart. But we can stop at 2.61 level by FIB, 4.92 trillion. So it's more than real. Next stop is 637, 726 trillions. And guys, if you track the posts on Telegram channel, by the way, totally for free, and always will be totally for free, you could find out. So I made a post in 2 days. In 2 days, the stock market lost 5 trillions just in 2 days. Just imagine 5 trillion in 2 days. Whip it out with this crash. And total capitalization of all crypto space, Bitcoin, Ethereum, top 10 altcoins, all meme coins, only 1.93 trillion. So it's like if the market was equal, the crypto market should drop to zero. If the crypto lose the same capitalization, like in 1 day, the stock market lose. So just imagine how early we are in crypto industry. And when some people blame why institutional not joined the crypto. So here is, we got an ETF and institutional join it, but institutional can dump it. Yes, they can pump it, but they can dump it immediately, because for them, the risky assets, it's the first assets what they will drop if they need money. So you need to understand it. So because the people think the Bitcoin is a hedge, but it never been the hedge, you know. And you could see the first things what the Japanese did, they just sold out all crypto. So this is it, guys. Be careful with what you wish for, and I think in the next few years, the total capitalization can be over than 10 trillion or even 20 trillion. Yes, it's more than real. It's more than real, but the market will become less volatile. because in general it can be like impulse, sideways impulse. For example, it can be over than 7 trillion. But then we're gonna go in a long sideways move, right? Because Bitcoin can go to a long sideways move because the Bitcoin will become too heavy to pump and dump so easily. But anyway, we will see what a plan of market makers and funds for this asset. So this is a correction. Basically, the 0.5 level by FIP, it's more than enough for a healthy correction. Next step is 1.61 to 1.68 trillion and 1.46. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to 1 trillion again, or even lower to 27 block. Maybe in the next few years, yes. The most worst case scenario, what we can see, if they want to draw the double bottom, and it was a real top. So it's going to be just mind-blowing because it's not about we not see the altcoin season or so. We just waste the time. So it's going to be pretty tough if we drop, for example, now and consolidate from, for example, May 25 till, I don't know, till November 26. One more time then. And the size of this double bottom of total market cap will be exactly around like here, yes, around 5 trillion. So for me personally, it's kind of weird scenario because I hope we will not see this weird scenario because just we wasted the time, just wasted time. A lot of altcoins still not pump it. So I hope everything will be good. Monthly time frame looks like this one, so everything okay, right? And I don't think so we're gonna drop to the low of this one, to the low of June 2020, right? Yeah. I don't understand what should happen in the world, even with World War III. I don't think so we drop to this area. But anyway, guys, we work only with possibilities. If we take a look at a line chart here, basically we still didn't hit the new high, still not sweep it, and even on the candles also still not sweep it. This one 3 trillion. So we will see how it goes. So let's take a look with my customer graph, what's going on now with in general with this index. What is bad? Here is accumulation pump. Here's a distribution, and then why I count this like a top, because here this is a top, exact top, the total area where the market makers distribute their bags. Then we formed the huge divergence on ADZ and the top in November 2021, but it's little nothing. It was a significant signal to out of the market, and it was my mistake because indicator I created around in 2023, of course, and this area I'm not out from all altcoins, right? And then I cut my losses in some altcoins, so it was a mistake. But anyway, we are here for experience. Here was accumulation, it was confirmation. So November FTX crash, it was a bottom, exact bottom for crypto market in general, not only for Bitcoin. Here was a test of 27 block, here was accumulation, now pump. And take a look, what is good? We can form the bigger divergence. So this is kind of good because we can pump like this one, still will be in area zone and in high. So I talk a lot about 3 drives pattern. It can be like 3 drives pattern, just basic classic TA. You can open the Investopedia and check about a 3 drives pattern. We're in the top, but here also we can form the divergence. So this is it on the monthly time frame, guys. On the monthly time frame. On the weekly, what is good? This drop is whip it out all gamblers basically, and for me personally, it's kind of good because I would like to see the regulation by next 5 years, because I truly hate these things when the majority never talk about how 90% people lose the money in crypto space because of a scam project, because of ripples, because of team just launched the token with airdrop and then distribute their bags, just listed the token on centralized exchanges. So we need regulation because it's unhealthy, right? Of course, it's good when you're making money, but guys, over than 90% people lose money in this market and they never share it because it's unpopular truth, right? So you will never flex with your losses, right? You flex only in social media with your winnings. So this was also signal to out of crypto. So this is a key also how we can track it, when to in and when to out into the market in general. So this is more for investment, right? And when we can fix the profit. So this was a signal for the best time. Accumulate coins. Then we got a AI pump. Here we got a top from March 2024. The whales start out step by step from alts and the Bitcoin also. And then we get a drop. The Bitcoin conference in Nashville, it was just top of the top. Here is the accumulation. This is kind of good. Yes, this is good. This is more bullish than bearish signal, even on a monthly or weekly time frame. Market moon money power on a weekly. Take a look. I would like to show you. Here's a money inflow. Was here May 2022. Then bullish RSI. The currency is bullish one. Then step by step, the whales out here, fix some profit. Usually they just withdraw initial deposit after a small bounce. Here was September 2023 confirmation, one more money inflow in general in crypto space. Here is a distribution, one money outflow at the top. RSI bearish divergency, euphoria on the market. So it was a great signal to out, but definitely this is not like this time when we saw only out of the market. Now basically we got a money inflow, so it's kind of good. Monthly time frame, here there's a euphoria, RSI bearish divergency. Here's a hope on the market, not disbelief. Disbelief, it was here. Here November 18, 3 months, 4 months basically. Disbelief. It was a hope, optimism, pump, euphoria. Now we're like in a basically in a trill zone, we can call it. Money outflow. So here was a money outflow. Not exactly at the top because guys, they never sell at the top. They sell an average. Trade on. This is what I don't like basically, because we get a signal to sell in confirmation December 2021, buy back, signal to sell. This is kind of weird for me personally on a monthly. Weekly time frame, here also was a confirmation. So if you track this chart or any other, you can use it on the weekly time frame. If you determine the levels correctly, here was a significant signal to buy, close or short, significant signal to buy, step by step, close some position, take profit, sell, buy back. Okay. And the last one is take profit indicator. Here I mark it, we will test, definitely going to test the 0.38 level by 1.68 trillions, and I expected the correction lower, but we break just in consolidation. So impulse consolidation here, reject of course over the exit line. It's a weekly time frame. So we got a rejection 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. We get a rejection at an exit line, then we pump it. So it was also signal to out of the market. And now the worst case scenario, like I told you, we can test the buy line. It's around, because the time, we can't know the time. The buy line can be even here around. So we can't know, I don't know, maybe it's going to be the November 2024. So in the next few weeks, we can see something like this one. On the chart, this can be like this. I hope we will not test the buy line, guys. Of course, I hope we will not, but it's just my hope, right? So market don't care. Daily time frame here. What is faster? I would like to see. It's a test of this level. Test the buy line on a daily time frame. So this is what I would like to see. Like I shared before, I would like to see something like this one in August or September, recover back and then pump higher than this high, 3 trillion and 07, then this one, and next step is top. So we will see. It's hard to say about the timing. So most worst case scenario I share with you. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what do you think about the total capitalization, what a top will be for this total market cap, right, for this cycle, for this year or for the 2025. I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my customer care, I will show it in this video. Just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel.